Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to import your simple account data into Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your simple account. So go ahead and log into your account using your email address and password. You can do that on the online website, or you could choose to do so on Simple's mobile app. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on the accounts button. So on the website, it's the button, you can find that on the top navigation bar. And once you've clicked on account, you're just going to select tax document from the drop down menu. Next, you're going to choose a tax year for which you want to import your simple account data into Turbotax. So go ahead and choose a tax year. And once you've chosen that, you're just going to click on the imports into Turbotax button. And from there, you're going to need to follow the Turbotax import instructions to complete the import process. That's pretty much it on how to import your simple account data into Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.